Alright, so now we got STi almost there. Look, check it out. Nice view, but what? Inside the road, what's going on? Yeah, so that happened. So I'm not entirely sure how or why or anything really. It's just I just started driving the truck, and next thing you know, I was just going maybe like 60, 65, and the trailer starts swaying. So pull over. I thought maybe it was like a flat tire, but yeah, check that shit out. Yeah, wow. Wow.
Yippee yo, yippee yay, death rolls in the motherfucking house.
So I really don't know. Don't ask me how. I don't know. But there's that. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna do it on pump gas. It was just a couple pulls. Our tuner is a really good tuner, so he got this thing dialed in within a few amount of pulls. And we also got the intake all fabbed up, as you can see. Just simple 45 straight and a filter. All that fabbed up, that way we don't get anything stuck in there. So now, getting ready to start transferring over to race gas. We got our C16 right here. Should make good power on that. We just need the tuner. Aaron just went to go grab a fitting that would go on here. That way we can siphon out the gas and get this new race gas in there. And just a quick rundown of the setup. It is a 6266 ball bearing, 280 cams, supported head, stage 2 tuff motor, 1700 ID injectors, a 525 Hellcat pump, and a single tile 44 wastegate. That one did more or less the same, so definitely see it turned up probably after this pull. Forgot to show you guys, but in today's dyno room, you got the Green Grill Integra right here. And you can see a little turbo kind of peeking in the back right there. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, let's see some power. Nice. So that one made 579 at 506 foot-pounds of torque. So far that was the highest pull yet. I was at 26.6 pounds of boost. Some good power out of that little 6266. So I literally just came back from the bathroom and the car made 619 at 4. So like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, this one made 619 horsepower and 534 foot-pounds of torque at 29.5 pounds of boost. It doesn't really look like it's tapering off a whole lot, as you guys can see. It's still pretty flat, so which is good. because that means we can still maybe get like another couple horsepower out of it. So still not done, I believe. Still not done. Oh, nice. As you guys can see, that one made 640 at 535. Pretty nice. We picked it up. It's all right here. All right there. That's pretty nice. Now that was at 31.9 pounds of boost. So that's over 30 pounds of boost, which is quite a bit, especially for a car like this. 30 pounds of boost, just to put that in perspective, that's like about what you run in your just a regular car tire. I think it's like 30 or 35. I could be wrong, but anyways, yeah, we're approaching that territory. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. 653 horsepower. There we go. Suck on them apples. And we got 536 torque. There we go, nice. And that was at 32 pounds of boost. So that's right at 32 pounds. Before it was 31. So we're getting up there. Shut up! Thank you. So anyways guys, this is going to be the last pull that we're going to be doing. I was talking to the tuner right now and it made over 653 horsepower. As of right now, that's what it made. And he was talking to me about it. If he feels safe with the car, he likes the cars making good numbers. He said if you want to send it, and I was like, hell yeah, I want to send it. So this will be the last pull. We're gonna fucking send it. Hey guys, so when I recorded the outro to this video, I accidentally forgot to turn on the microphone. On that last pull, the car made 658 horsepower and 534 foot-pounds of torque. Those are really good numbers for a stock sleeve block. And by stock sleeves, I mean like this block is just an open deck block. It's not closed deck, it's not sleeved or anything like that. So it's kind of crazy that we can push these EJ motors to those boundaries. I just want to give a special thanks to Aaron over at English Racing. He was the one that was tuning the car, and he's the one that's always been tuning the cars for every single car on this channel. I just want to give another special thanks to that trailer. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I was on 3 wheels from the start, pretty much. So I just want to give a special thanks to that. Holding it tough for 8 hours straight of towing. Special thanks to that. As well as special thanks to you guys, because without you guys I wouldn't be making these videos. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.